Apple is redefining smartphone innovation with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, introducing powerful upgrades in design, performance, and usability. From a sleeker, lighter build to next-gen processing power, this flagship model delivers cutting-edge features that push the boundaries of mobile technology. But does it truly live up to the hype? Let's explore the most exciting enhancements and see how they transform your smartphone experience. A lighter, more durable build, premium without the bulk. Apple has ditched stainless steel and opted for a titanium aluminum two-tone frame, making the iPhone 17 Pro Max lighter and more comfortable to handle. This shift enhances durability, reducing wear while ensuring a sleek, premium feel. Another standout change is the horizontal camera bar, replacing Apple's signature vertical layout. This modern design not only looks refined but provides better stability when placed on surfaces, making capturing shots easier without wobbling. Next-level camera upgrades, sharper, more versatile photography. Say hello to crystal-clear zoom and pro-level imaging. The iPhone 17 Pro Max introduces a 48MP telephoto lens, enabling sharper details at a distance without losing clarity. Meanwhile, the 24MP front camera ensures flawless selfies and ultra-clear video calls. For content creators, the ability to shoot 8K video at 60 frames per second unlocks cinematic storytelling, allowing users to produce professional quality footage straight from their phone. Whether snapping once-in-a-lifetime moments or creating digital masterpieces, these upgrades make top-tier visuals more accessible than ever. Refined Dynamic Island, more immersive, less intrusive. Apple has fine-tuned its Dynamic Island, making it smaller and more streamlined. The result? A less intrusive interface that enhances screen immersion while maintaining functionality. Whether controlling music, checking notifications, or tracking live activities, this refinement ensures a smoother user experience. A 19 Pro chip, blazing fast performance meets energy efficiency. At the heart of the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the A19 Pro chip, built using advanced 3nm technology for blazing fast performance and superior energy efficiency. This means instant app launches, flawless multitasking, and enhanced thermal management, keeping your device cool under pressure, whether gaming or editing videos. Apple's focus on powerful yet efficient computing ensures that this flagship model runs faster and smoother than ever before while preserving battery life. Apple's custom connectivity chips stronger, faster, and more reliable. Apple is taking control of its wireless ecosystem, introducing custom-designed chips for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 5G connectivity. This move ensures stronger signal stability, higher speeds, and optimized battery consumption, making sure your connection remains uninterrupted and efficient. By moving away from third-party components, Apple is enhancing integration and performance, resulting in a more seamless user experience across all devices. More power, more memory, built for heavy-duty users. Battery life gets a major boost with a larger capacity, ensuring longer screen time without frequent recharges. Whether streaming, gaming, or working, this improvement caters to power users who rely on their devices throughout the day. The jump to 12 GB of RAM means smoother multitasking, faster app switching, and enhanced performance for intensive tasks like video editing and gaming. The ultimate flagship experience, built for the future. With game-changing innovations in design, camera technology, and processing power, the iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just another upgrade, it's a carefully crafted evolution of Apple's flagship smartphone. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, content creator, or someone who simply demands premium quality, this device offers a future-proof experience tailored to modern needs.